How to download video from Telegram private channel to gallery. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can download video from Telegram's private channel to your gallery. It's super simple, so let's get started. First, we need to head over to our Telegram app and then you need to go ahead and find a private channel. This is a private channel and as you can see that video has been uploaded to this channel. Now, let's say I want to go ahead and download this video right here. You need to simply go ahead and tap on that video. Once you are here, you can see several options in the top right corner. You need to simply go ahead and tap on three dots located in the top right corner. From here, you can see an option that says Save to Photos, Show in Chat and Reply. Here, you need to go ahead and tap on Save to Photos. And once the video has been fully downloaded, you will be able to save the photos or video to your gallery. And that's it. I hope you find this video helpful. If you did, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.